Hello, and welcome to a new season of The Four Horsemen. My friends Andrew from Maple Leaf Customs, Tom from Spork Syndicate, Skip from Crossroad Diecast Speed Shop, and myself, Paul, from Diecast Graveyard, make up The Four Horsemen. Now, we started this a bunch of years back, and we've had a few horsemen come and go, and went on to bigger and better things. But here we get to start our 5th year for the Four Horsemen. 2025 is going to be a great year. Let's get started with this year's calendar. For the month of January, we have Autobahn. As most people know, the Autobahn in Germany has no speed limit, so this is where you're going to see a lot of supercars, to include Porsches, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Maseratis, etc. So get your Autobahn car together for the month of January. For the month of February, we have Rat Rod. Let's get your rusty cars together and hot rod them up and make them look really cool. This is going to be a really fun subject and one of my favorite things to do. I'm looking so forward to the Rat Rod theme. This is going to be great. We got St. Patrick's Day coming up. March 17th, this build is due. It is due in the middle of the month, so have your St. Patrick's Day themed car ready to go. And again, remember, you can use any casting whatsoever. It doesn't matter. It's completely up to you. And you don't have to have a YouTube channel to participate in these builds. For the month of March, we got Boy Scouts or Girl Scouts. Let's celebrate our young folks and start them on their path to adulthood by honoring the Boy Scouts of America and the Girl Scouts. This is going to be a fun build. You can do both, you can do one or the other, it doesn't matter. Let's have fun with this build. For the month of April, we got Mopar. This is going to be a great theme. Everybody loves a good hot rod, and Mopar definitely foot the bill when it came to making some good hot rod cars. So the month of April is going to be Mopar Madness. Let's get it together, folks. National Redline Day falls in the month of May, and this build is due on the 14th. Let's go ahead and do up a build to celebrate National Redline Day. Take a good red line, hot rod it up, make it restored, whatever you want to do, but let's include a red line. For the month of May, the end of May, we have the military. It doesn't matter what country you're from. Celebrate your country's military. This is going to be an incredible build, and myself being retired Army, I'm going to truly enjoy this build. This is going to be a lot of fun, and I'm really hoping that a lot of you folks will participate in this one. For the month of June, Barn Find. This is going to be a great theme. Let's think of a car that you might have found in a barn and you want to restore it up, but make it look like it just came out of the barn, and that's the way you found it after sitting for about 30 or 40 years. This is going to be fun. The month of July, we have Gaslands. Oh boy, Andrew's definitely going to knock this one out of the park because he's really good at it. Tom from Spork Syndicate definitely can put together some great Gaslands too, and I know my buddy Skip will be up to this. Me, on the other hand, I'm definitely going to wing it, but it's going to be fun. For the month of August, we got Lowrider. This is another brand new theme for this year's calendar. I'm looking forward to this one. Let's have a lot of fun with this. Think about some cars that would make some excellent lowriders. I know I've already got mine picked out, and we're going to have fun for the month of August. September is JDM, which stands for Japanese Domestic Market. Get your Japanese-made car together and get it ready to go. This is going to be a great theme, and we haven't done this one before. So the whole calendar for 2025 is full of all kinds of new themes. This is great. For the month of October, actually October 18th, we've got the Paint It Pink Challenge again to recognize breast cancer awareness. Folks, this is something that's near and dear to my heart. I lost my mother-in-law to this disease last year, and this definitely strikes a nerve with me. Let's support breast cancer awareness. For the end of October, we've got Oktoberfest. I've been to Oktoberfest at least 7 or 8 times, and I'll go back again someday. And I love this theme. I love this. It's going to be great. So get your Oktoberfest on, celebrate your beer, the month of October, etc. For the month of November, we got RV, recreational vehicle. Let's see what you folks can come up with. This is another new theme, and it's going to be a lot of fun. I look forward to seeing what all you guys can come up with. And I mean guys and girls. This is going to be a great theme, and I'm really looking forward to this one. This is going to be exciting. And of course, the month of December, the theme is Santa Claus. Now, use your imagination on this one, okay? I know that some of you are going to be thinking Krampus and some of the other things, but let's have some fun with December and Santa Claus. I love this theme. It's going to be great. One of the other things we started in 2024 was the Participation Awards, or the Horseshoe Awards. It's 6 months participating, or 6 builds, you'll get the Bronze Award. At 12 months, you'll get the Silver Award, and at 24 months, you'll get the Gold Award. Now, we've just had a few folks reach that gold pinnacle. Now, the next one in line is going to be Titanium. That is going to be absolutely excellent. And we got a couple other things up our sleeve too. Now, you don't have to have a YouTube channel and make videos to participate. All you have to do is build and send us a glamour shot. Now, speaking of glamour shots, make sure you submit your glamour shot on the last day of the month. Don't send it in the middle of the month, because I'll lose it in all the emails that I get. But submit it on the last day of the month on a 16:9 high definition glamour shot. And make sure the picture is in focus, folks. We've gotten a lot of pictures that are way out of focus, and we want to highlight your build. Also, send those glamour shots to 4horsemendiecast@gmail.com. So again, we put your picture in the recap videos that we have. And we've had a lot of participation, and 24 has been a great year, and 25 is going to be even bigger. And we look forward to everybody participating in the 4 Horsemen builds. If you have any questions, you can reach out to any of the 4 Horsemen to answer your questions. And like I said, folks, this is going to be a great time, and I truly look forward to 2025. I want to thank everybody that participated in the builds from the beginning, and those that participated all of 2024. 25 is going to be a great year, and the 4 Horsemen is getting bigger and stronger than ever. This is going to be a great season. Thank you so much, and cheers.